These are Africa's Big Five. And if you want to see them, I recommend Kruger National Park in South Africa. We did a self-guided safari by renting a car and borrowing a tent from a friend. We alternated camping and renting bungalows. In addition to driving ourselves, we joined some guided tours so we could get out on foot and in the evenings. We didn't realize until the last minute that you need to reserve accommodations, but luckily we found some availability for 5 days and 4 nights. We registered at Numbi Gate and entered the Wild Kingdom. It's kind of shocking at first to see wild animals all around you. Impalas by far are the most numerous species in Kruger, roughly 150,000 of them. I was surprised to learn that twice as many female impalas are born each year as compared to males, and half of the newborns are killed in the first few weeks of life by predators such as lions, leopards, and cheetahs. Giraffes are the tallest land mammals, but surprisingly, their necks aren't long enough, so you'll see them awkwardly kneeling or spreading their feet to reach the ground. It's easy to spot the black and white zebras in Kruger, up to 35,000 of them. But did you know that every zebra's stripes are unique, just like snowflakes and fingerprints? Elephants are the largest land mammals, weighing up to 10 tons. When driving in Kruger, be careful not to upset or challenge them, especially protective mamas and bull elephants. Hippos are great swimmers and hold their breath up to 5 minutes. Kruger is home to 114 reptile species. Cape buffaloes and lions are natural enemies. You'd think that buffaloes would always win since they weigh up to 3 times as much as lions, but lions often kill the babies or gang up on the adults. As it turns out, spotted hyenas don't laugh. They are actually responding to aggravation or attack. Baboons and monkeys may seem cute and entertaining unless you're trying to enjoy a meal outside. Then they turn into thieves. There are over 500 species of birds in Kruger National Park, some of which are not found anywhere else in South Africa. So be sure to bring your binoculars. The world-renowned Kruger National Park is South Africa's largest wildlife sanctuary with nearly 5 million acres of unrivaled wilderness and wildlife land, and home to not only the Big Five, but more species of large mammals than any other African game reserve. I highly recommend it as a fun and economical way to go on an African safari.